Mopping isn't a chore anyone looks forward to, but the Dyson Wash G1 mop and the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro promise to make it easier. No more lugging around a heavy bucket of water. These two mops are here to transform one of the most disliked household chores into a quick and effortless task. Both are heavy hitters, each with its own unique strengths and quirks, and a price tag that suggests serious cleaning prowess. But which one is worth the investment? Let's find out. The Dyson Wash G1 is sleek, stylish, and every bit the high-end device you'd expect from Dyson. Its design, while minimalistic, hints at its functionality with a layout that's easy to grasp. However, the first thing you'll notice about the Wash G1 is its weight. At 4.9 kilograms when empty, it's no featherweight. While this weight isn't a deal-breaker when gliding across floors, you'll feel it when lifting the device or maneuvering it into tight spaces. It's like driving a luxury SUV, smooth on the open road, but cumbersome in a crowded parking lot. In contrast, the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro also packs some weight at 5.13 kilos, but it has a trick up its sleeve, a self-propulsion system, which almost makes the device feel like it's moving on its own. The S7 Pro's design is clearly user-focused, with a high-tech LCD screen that not only looks futuristic, but also provides real-time feedback on your cleaning progress. The Tineco's low-profile brush roller also gets under cabinets and furniture more easily than the Dyson, making it better suited for tight spaces. When it comes to cleaning performance, both devices promise to turn your hard floors into a gleaming showcase of cleanliness. The Dyson Wash G1 features two dense, counter-rotating microfiber rollers and 26 pulse-modulated hydration points. These work together to scrub your floors with precision, leaving them clean and relatively dry. The Wash G1 separates dirty water and debris, ensuring you're always cleaning with fresh water. It's a straightforward approach, but it works. Most everyday marks on tiles and floorboards are handled with ease, although it sometimes struggles with tougher, dried-on stains. The Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro takes a slightly different approach. It's equipped with Tineco's iLoop smart sensor, which detects dirt and adjusts the vacuum's power accordingly. This feature is like having a tiny cleaning assistant guiding you along, ensuring no speck of dust is left behind. The S7 Pro also excels in edge cleaning, getting remarkably close to walls and baseboards, a common weak spot for many vacuums. With 4 cleaning modes – Auto, Max, Ultra, and Suction – the S7 Pro offers flexibility depending on the level of cleaning needed. The Suction mode is particularly useful for picking up excess liquid and spills, making it versatile enough to handle everything from light dusting to deep cleaning. No one likes dealing with the aftermath of a cleaning session, but both Dyson and Tineco have made efforts to minimize the hassle. The Dyson Wash G1 has a self-clean cycle that flushes the system before your next use. After cleaning, debris can be removed by pulling out a tray from the base of the mop, and the dirty water tank can be easily emptied and rinsed. But here is the catch: if you don't clean it properly after each use, you risk bad odors or reduced performance. The microfiber rollers need replacing every 6 months, and the whole process of emptying tanks, cleaning debris trays, and maintaining the rollers is more involved than Dyson's marketing might lead you to believe. The Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro, on the other hand, ups the ante with a more comprehensive self-cleaning system. After each cleaning session, you place the S7 Pro on its charging dock and activate either a quick or super self-cleaning mode. The process is displayed on the LCD screen, showing you exactly what's happening inside the machine. The S7 Pro not only cleans itself but also air dries the brush roll, though the drying time is sometimes insufficient, requiring you to manually finish the job. The downside? The maintenance routine, while thorough, is slightly more complex and time-consuming, with steps that need to be carefully followed to avoid unpleasant odors or trapped debris. For most people, a wet-dry vacuum needs to cover a significant amount of space on a single charge. The Wash G1 offers 35 minutes of runtime, which is generally enough to clean a medium-sized apartment without needing a recharge. The ONE S7 Pro slightly edges out the Dyson with a runtime of up to 40 minutes, depending on the mode you're using. The Taneco's ability to adjust its power based on the level of dirt also helps extend battery life, making it more efficient in the long run. Here's where things get serious. The Dyson Wash G1 comes with a hefty price tag of $999, a reflection of Dyson's reputation for high-quality, premium products. It offers solid performance and is especially appealing to those living in smaller homes or apartments who prioritize build quality and straightforward functionality. The Taneco Floor ONE S7 Pro at $699, while also not cheap, packs a ton of high-tech features into its slightly more expensive price point. For those who love gadgets with smart functionality and appreciate the extra cleaning power, the S7 Pro offers more bang for your buck, especially if you're cleaning larger spaces. Choosing between the Dyson Wash G1 and the Taneco Floor ONE S7 Pro comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a sleek, high-quality device that handles basic wet-dry vacuuming with the reliability you'd expect from Dyson, the Wash G1 won't disappoint. However, if you want a vacuum that offers a deeper clean, with smart technology to guide you, and a design that handles a variety of messes with ease, the Taneco Floor ONE S7 Pro is likely the better choice. Whichever you choose, one thing is certain: you'll be saying goodbye to your old mop and bucket for good. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.